Okay, so maganda yung bigay ni gold today and na-time yan natin bottom, and based on our previous analysis, we are bearish, and we are telling people that it's gonna go down, pero at what level, at what price, no? So we were able to perfectly draw the channel, no, where it's gonna land, and we are anticipating a quick bounce, and this is the quick bounce. And the reason why na umabot siya ng ganyan is because we were not able, or we really did not put take profit levels for this one. So we are just monitoring it, and we're just going to close it on a bulk operation. So that's what we are doing recently. So the reason why yun nga, it's on a multiple trades, open positions at 0.01 levels, because mas madali siya for me, mas madali siyang i-manage, no, if you are really convicted uh, with if you are really convinced pala, no, na talagang yun yung analysis mo and it's going to play well. And yun nga, I can just put a certain number at this, kasi for me mas madali siyang bilangin, no. So $100 up is $100 at 0.01. So if you are going to put 10 at that level, then you can just compute it times 10, no. So it's very very simple for me that way. So iba-iba yan, no. Merong iba na iba-iba ang lagay, but makikita niyo sa history nila 0.03, 0.05, or 0.1, or 1 or 2, something like that with their lot size. But for me, it's easier this way. So if I'm going to just test the water, then I can just put 0.01, 'di ba? So ganun lang siya. Isang isang order lang at 0.01. Yan. So kasi there are times na hindi naman ganito yung galaw ng market. Yan. So ayoko nang ibahin para syempre mas ano siya, mas consistent siya. Kasi nga there are times na nakakalito rin siya, nakadagdag siya sa alalahanin, no, yung zero, yung paglalagay ng lot size, para di na natin makalimutan, we can just multiply it on based on our conviction, no. So that's it, guys. Sana ito hindi natin to na i-signal sa group, no, it's because it's very risky, and yeah, we were just anticipating a very quick bounce, no, pero it turns out uh, uh, umangat siya ng gusto, no. So we are still bearish with gold, but yun nga, we just timed it perfectly dun sa channel, and it has a bounce. So that's it. If you want to get some trade ideas, trade signals, and webinars, coaching sessions, nandyan lang yung link natin sa bio. So these are all for free, so we can just check it out. So see you there.